Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. First, open the laptop lid carefully. Once the screen is open, locate the power button. On most Lenovo ThinkPad models, the power button is placed near the top right side of the keyboard. Press the power button once or hold it for a few seconds until the screen lights up. Wait for the laptop to start and load the Windows home screen. Now let's look at how to move around on the laptop. ThinkPads are known for giving users two different ways to control the cursor on the screen. The first option is the track point, which is the small red dot located in the middle of the keyboard. Place your finger gently on the red dot and push it slowly in the direction you want the cursor to move. Below the spacebar, you will see three buttons. Use the left and right buttons for clicking and the middle button for scrolling. The second option is the touchpad located below the keyboard. You can move the cursor by sliding one finger across the touchpad surface. Tap once with one finger to left-click. Tap with two fingers to right-click. You can also place two fingers on the touchpad and move them up or down to scroll through pages. Next, let's talk about the keyboard shortcut keys. The top row contains function keys that help you control important settings quickly. F1 to F4 are used for muting audio and changing the volume. F5 and F6 adjust screen brightness. F7 helps manage external displays like monitors or projectors. F8 to F12 can control airplane mode, Bluetooth, settings, and keyboard options. To charge the ThinkPad, connect the USB-C or AC charger into the charging port, usually located on the left side of the laptop. Once connected, the battery icon on the screen will show that charging has started. Thanks for watching.